I tried to start painting. Every time I try to start painting, it rains. I was only doing the tailgate. That pretty much was my only goal for tonight, but I didn't really get to do that. So it's kind of clearing up. Still cloudy and whatnot, but it's not raining anymore, so I threw another layer of primer over, and now I'm just letting it dry, and then I'm going to sand it and start throwing black on. So there we go, not perfect, but shiny enough to call it good. So as we know, this is the fender with the dent in it, but I figured I'll still just throw some paint over right now so it looks a little bit nicer, because I'm going to cut a hole in the inside of the fender behind that and just heat it up and push it out, and it'll probably pop back most of the way. But yeah, I'm gonna paint that real quick because the tailgate's done, and then maybe I'll do the other fender and the hood, and then really all that's left is two doors and the back paneling under the windows in the back. This is how it looks after the coat I just put on. Now I'm hoping it just dries like that, but the humidity is fighting really hard right now. Like right there, it's already starting to change. Like, oh, so frustrating. I mean, every coat that I've done, it's gotten slowly better. Like now it's just a little bit right there, a little bit right there, and a little right there. The problem is when I put coats, it's not like it's fixing it, it's just hiding it more. Like, there's still gonna be moisture in the paint. I'm probably just gonna have to redo this entire fender just for a rough comparison. Look at the hood, and then look at the fender. It's still gonna look way better if I just do that. All right, I am super excited here. My package just showed up, and it's from the brand that I know that I got my stuff from, so I'm gonna pop this thing open, check them out, and install them. Why do the smallest things excite me so much? Like, I'm so excited to see these and put these on my truck. Such a small thing, but massively exciting to me. Oh yeah, here they are. Oh, it's just one box after the next. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, they even come with like little LED bulbs. That's sick. There we go. Tinted out. That is friggin' awesome. So there we go, there's 5. And then it even came with 5 little friggin' amber like LED bulbs. That's pretty sweet. I didn't think they would come with those. I thought it was just like the covers. So there's our beautiful smoke tinted cab light lens. So we're gonna pop up on the roof here and take the other ones off and throw these in and throw those right in with there too. Flick the lights on here. There's our factory orange ones. Okay, all of them except the last one. Make sure I can just flip it. Yes, indeed. Just like that. There it is. They're all blacked out now. The only thing I didn't really think of is the bolts that hold them in are chrome, and it's quite noticeable, so I might at some point end up taking those screws back out and painting them black and then putting it back in, just so everything's black on it. But they look really good. Now the whole thing is just blacked out. I did leave, well, this came with LEDs, so they're actually brighter, but I made the decision either way to keep the bulbs orange. Wow, those look pretty friggin' sick. I'll take another video tonight when it's dark, but those bulbs are orange and my parking lights are orange, so they match. Otherwise, they would all have to be white. I can't do just parking lights orange and the cab lights white or vice versa. So they are all orange, but everything's blacked out. Oh. That looks so nice. Those are a cool looking color. They're like orange, but they're like a weird, pretty orange.